Welcome to Lab 46, configuring OSPF on point-to-point networks. There's different network types that we can use with OSPF, and they all have a subtle difference. Very simple back-to-back topology. So we're doing two things really. We're looking at OSPF network types and single OSPF. It says enable PPP on the link there. I think I might change that because we're not covering PPP until later on in the ICND2 videos. I'm not sure they'll go into detail or this much detail on this CCNA because it just says configure OSPF in a single area. But you never know because they're entitled to change the syllabus as they go along at their whim, and sometimes they sneak in a question that isn't even in the syllabus. So we're doing this lab on GNS3. I haven't checked on Packet Tracer actually, but sometimes there's just limitations of what commands, and the show commands also can be a bit limited. So ping across the interface doesn't work straight away, even on GNS3. I guess that's all working fine. Let's go into our router configuration. The process ID is just for this locally significant for the router, so it doesn't have to match on any other router. Rather than our network, and for OSPF we have to add the wildcard mask. The area is going to be 0. All areas must connect into the core. There are exceptions, but we needn't worry about those. So got the wildcard mask right, area 0, and then the router 2 configuration will be the same. Okay, you can see the OSPF adjacency message has appeared. The neighbour ID there, 172.16.1.1. Show IP OSPF neighbour. The state is full. I think that's probably covered in your theory book. Show IP OSPF interface and then serial 0/0. And I just wanted to point out the network type that we have here, which is point-to-point. You can see the hello and dead timers, and it varies depending on the network type. That's all I wanted to show you for this lab, so that's the end of the lab. Thanks for watching.